लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। कोई लाता गुड़िया मोटर रेल तो कोई लाता फिरकी लट्टू, कोई चाबी का टट्टू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Deva. Happy birthday, Deva.
Devtaya is so cute and so awesome, and I love talking to you and I love being around you.
Dev, you're too funny. You find fun and humor in everything, and the way you speak about everything is like too hilarious.
Yes, Pandey Manna and your Punjabi, the real poor Punjabi, but better than me at least. Super.
Taya, you are so innocent. Like they call you killer. And that's so true. And you have knowledge about everything and about so much, and you're so social also.
You are super lovable person, the lovable soul, pure soul.
And you're super eyeing all the chicks even now. That just shows that, you know, you've not given up on hopes. You're not just carrying that Goa bag with you right now, but you're still maybe, I don't know.
Even though you're like now 60, it genuinely doesn't feel like I'm talking to a 60-year-old. It actually feels like I'm talking to someone like almost my age only. Like you actually connect with.
Hi Taya, wishing you a very happy birthday, a good year, healthy, and always smiling and happy like you always are. Take care.
Hey Dev, wish you a very happy 60th, man. You don't look anywhere near 60. You still look as if you're 16. Since the time I know you, or you can say from the time of old embassy days, I have never seen your energy levels going down ever. There's more and more energy that's in you. Just keep rocking the same way, brother. Take care, have a great year, and wish you again all the very best for your birthday. Take care. Cheers.
Hi Dev, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Have a blast. All the best, all the luck, all the way. Cheers.
Hi Dev, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have lots of fun. God bless.
Hey Mama G, wish you a very happy birthday. I don't believe you're actually 60. It's impossible to believe it. I was just telling Mommy you're more like 30-35. You're probably one of the healthiest people I know, and hope you continue that way. Lots of love on this special day, and do look forward to catching up soon. And I do hope we spend more time together, Mama. Love being with you. You're a great person, you know that. One of the best I know. Take care of yourself and catch up soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Deva. Happy birthday to you. Okay, what do I say about you? Most amazing, beautiful, innocent, childlike. The only person I know who has probably reached this age, 60, and who has kind of gone more innocent, more childlike. That quality of yours is just the most unique thing you have. You are such a clean heart. Whatever's in your heart, it just comes out in your mouth, and very innocently you are sensitive, you're compassionate, you're kind, and you are very enduring. Another very beautiful quality people don't get with age, which you have gotten more and more as you've aged. You take upon jokes so lightheartedly. Every time if we kid on you, you'll just laugh it off. You laugh with us. You never get upset. I have never seen you getting upset. So Dave, blessed soul. I love you, and so blessed to have you as my brother. Always in your own way protective, always sensitive about me. Thank you. I love you dearly.
Hello, Dave. How are you? Good. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Enjoy yourself.
Dave, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy with the entire family.
Hi, Dave. There's a small poem for you. I hope you understand it and like it. Okay? So here goes. It's my own poem. Okay? You are young, sweet, innocence abound. Your step is gentle, all your dreams are free. Such joy you see as gaily you go about your daily rounds. Your heart is light, with no grave concern. You are different from people whose purity is gone, who argues and contends at any cost. Simplicity must be your cornerstone. Strengthen your heart against all sorts of strife. Strive and prevail, but let not innocence be gone. Happy birthday, Dave. Happy 62nd birthday.
Hi, Dave. Many happy returns of the day. Wishing you a swinging 60s birthday. One of the things that I remember about you the most is that every time you would have food, you would hum along with it, sing along with it. Never saw anybody enjoying their food so much. So enjoy along, have a great year. All the best.
Hey Dave, happy 60th bro. Whoa man, I tell you, if anyone would have said that you've been 60, everybody would have been wanting to be in your place right now, buddy. I tell you, I don't know what anyone can say about our journey, but I can definitely vouch for Manjo and Rita and me. The journey has been so fabulous, right from the days of going to school, the Volga ice cream, the samosa paos, the Dayanand stores, the variety stores, the Jaldarshan stores, the comic book library, the table tennis, the cricket. Boy, what a journey, man. I really am blessed to have you as a brother in my journey. All I can always say is just be the way you are, be the same killer you are, and just keep killing, because that's the way you do it, boy, really honestly. All I can just say is, one song comes to my mind, Deva O Deva, Ganapati Deva, Sabse Badkar Kaun, O Swami Sabse Badkar Kaun. That's you, man, I swear. Celebrate every moment the way you do. Believe me, 2 years time we'll catch up. I'll be on those in the same line, same journey with you, and we'll rock it. For now, have a blast. Rock the way you just do. Enjoy the way you just do. Love you. God bless. Whoops! I have another one for you, Dave. I am 60, go running on 30. Would love to be 16. That is who I am. I am Deva. Take me as I am. I love you. I forgot to sing this one for you, buddy. Love you too much. God bless you. Rock it. Keep rocking it. Keep living the moment. Keep celebrating the moment. Bye.
Hey Dave Mama. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday from all of us in London. We missed you, but to a fellow Sagittarian, we'd like to sing Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dave Mama. Happy birthday to you. To the best mama in the world who taught me how to party, took me to my first disco, Have a splendid birthday. Love ya.
Okay, happy birthday, Dave. Have a great day. 60 is the new 40. So enjoy yourself and have a great year ahead as well. Thanks. Bye.
Hi Dave. Dave ki ho gayi. Wow bhai wow. Wow. 60 dude. You inspire me, man. It's amazing. Your zest for life. The way you've always been so loving and just so, I don't even know how to describe how you are, Dave. You're just this force. I love you and have a happy birthday and many more to come. Lots of love from me. Take care.
Hey Dev, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. I must admit that definitely you do not look, behave or feel 60. You look and behave and your heart is still of a 16-year-old young teenage boy. I think you may be giving Jay also a complex sometimes. So keep up the spirit, and I must say it's always a pleasure to meet the whole Lekhi family always. And you being the eldest, obviously, you head the team. So all the best to you. Wishing you many more happy years coming ahead. Cheers.
Hi Dave. Wish you a happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi Dave. Wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you always with a good health and happiness forever. Dave, you have become 60. I don't believe it. You still young, look so young. I don't believe it. So you are an evergreen hero. I love you. God bless you always. Stay safe.
Happy 60th birthday, Dev Bhaiya. Have a wonderful year ahead. Keep rocking. Keep smiling.
Dev Bhaiya, always keep smiling. Stay blessed and healthy. Have fun.
Happy birthday, Dave. Have a great day. Happy 60th birthday and have a fantastic year too. See you.
Happy birthday to you, Papu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. God bless you. You are the best son. You are the, जो आप में क्वालिटीज़ हैं बेटा, सब में हो आप बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हो. आप चाहे मेरे से दूर बैठे हो बेटा, फिर भी आप हमेशा मेरे साथ हो. God bless you बेटा. God bless you.
Hey Dad, happy birthday. Hope you have a great 60th right now and have a good year ahead. Stay safe, stay fit right now and have a great time ahead.
Hi Dave, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. That's a very young age, Dave, and you are as young as you've always been. I was just thinking about it and telling Arun that I know you from 50 years. That is a bit much, isn't it?
Dave, I am not on the screen because I am on this side of the screen.
Yeah, okay now.
Happy birthday.
So my dear Dave, bless you. Remain the way you are. I love you a lot. Lots and lots of memories since your childhood. But that we'll talk some other time. Have a great day, a great year. And hopefully I'll be there for your 70th birthday. But then I'll be 80. Oh my God. Okay, love you. Take care. Bye.
Hi Bhaiya, happy birthday to you. Hi Mama, happy birthday. Have fun.
Hi Dev Mama. Wish you happiest 60th. 60th?
Dev Mama 60?
No way.
I thought he's 50.
Anyway, wish you all the very best and hopefully we'll get to see you soon. Love you lots. All the best.
Lots. Take
Bye.
Care. Bye.
Hi Dev, happy birthday. Wish you all the best always. Thank you for always being there for us and for always supporting us in everything that we want to do without any judgment. Wish you a fabulous year ahead and great times to come, and hopefully we can all celebrate together soon. Take care.
Happy birthday to you.